We tried to stay overnight at 3 massive furniture stores, but it didn't go according to plan. What do you see?
Let's go, boys, let's go.
Hey, we're Ryan and Robbe, two cousins, and maybe you remember these videos from years ago where people tried to stay overnight at a massive furniture store.
We're curious to see if 6 years later we can still stay overnight without getting caught or arrested by the security.
But first things first, let's start with store 1 somewhere in Belgium. The first thing we need to do is find the best place to hide. Here in the sofa area, we found the best hide spot. Oh, and hey, I'm Ryan, a 22-year-old singer, presenter, and from this video on, a wannabe YouTuber.
Can't see anything, right? Wow.
From the inside, looking super comfy for the two of us.
Found them, boys, found them. Little itsy. We here.
Yo, I am Robbe, a 20-year-old student, pâtissier, and cousin of Ryan.
Last foodie before we go, eh? We have the plant volleys and the vrijzekjes. Very good. I'm actually a bit nervous. We just can't go to the toilet for 15 hours. And I just eaten some soup, so the soup has to get out, I suppose.
Okay. We ate enough. It's time to go hide before the store closes.
We're now at our hiding spot, but we need to be very quiet because in less than a half an hour the store will close.
5 hours later.
Little update. It's now 20 past 12. The weird thing was there was music playing until 12. Then it stopped. We don't know for who it was or for what it was. Nearly all the lights are out.
In our hiding place, we were quite safe and we didn't plan to get out of it this evening, maybe one of the next days. But because of all the nerves and all the stress and all the tension and everything, I really had to pee. Bro, come on. I'm not gonna go into the specifics on how I did it. I was really stressed to be seen by a motion sensor, a security camera, or a security guard just walking around or something. But there was nobody there.
Yo guys, it's late. It's 1:30. I haven't heard any security or nothing. So let's go outside. Okay guys, now we're going to take a look at the whole store. But we will begin with this part of the store. So Ryan is going to take the lead. I heard noise from the door. There's a light there, so maybe we shouldn't get out of the sight of the door. Here we are in the middle of the night in a furniture store. We haven't heard anyone in hours. Maybe for today we've actually gone further than we thought we would go. We just get in our place, take our sleeping bags, and just sleep. Because tomorrow morning we get out. Ciao.
I have to tell you guys this way because we don't have it on camera. Robin and I, we were just standing We didn't see anyone for hours. There was someone standing at an emergency exit. Security or police, we couldn't see it. Took his flashlight, started shining over the store. Oh my god. We hid behind the sofa. Then we were just stressful.
What we are going to do?
We had three options. What would you do? Imagine knowing that there is security or police looking for you. Would you take your stuff, run away? Were we gonna stay in the store, get back to our hide spot, or do you just surrender to yourself? Could have just put our hands on our head and say, it's over boys, we played a game and we lost. We decided to take our stuff and run away.
We took the risk to getting arrested immediately.
We just had no idea if there was someone waiting for us outside.
En handen in de lucht als ik zie niet iemand, maar ja, we moeten dat nu open doen en gaan piepen. Rijn, geen spritten voor de leven, ik zeg het nu. Oké. Ja, goed hè. Zitten die camera's links? Niet kijken. Op. Mijn moeder gaat zo boos zijn.
Serious f***ing trouble. At this point, we can still get caught. Like every car is police for me.
I'm like still shaking. But now we need to get home. It's too dangerous.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Allemaal politie. Ja, rechts. Allemaal politie. Like under the bridge. We were planning like doing 3 furniture stores.
Not gonna happen. Actually, we can give good points for the security. Oh, guys, if you like this video, then please leave a comment or subscribe to the channel because we will be doing more of this stuff. Just leave a comment on where we should try to sleep next. What do we have to lose? Freedom. Freedom. Only our freedom.